In this video, we're going to talk about how to link products to earn commissions with your Amazon Associates or influencer account. I always recommend setting up your Associates account with the same Amazon account that you shop from. Even if you are a personal account and you're trying to set up your Associates account under a business, you'll be able to set up different payment and tax information there. So it's okay if the accounts are linked. So this is my personal Amazon account. The main reason I want to set up my Associates account on the same one is that I have access to all of my past orders. I have access to my regular shopping. And then when I'm on Amazon, I can get links really easily. So for instance, if I wanted to look at a chocolate brown knit shirt, which weirdly none of these are, I can just click into any product while I'm shopping here. And then up here, we'll see our site stripe toolbar, which tells you the category and the commission rate. Creator Connections is an option that's available to some influencers and associates depending on your account, and they might have special promotions for you. These are not the same across all accounts, but it'll tell you if there's any kind of special promotion here, like plus 30% commission. Hey, that's awesome. Maybe I want to share this right now. And then whenever I'm ready to share, I can just click Get Link, and it will give me a link to this product here on Amazon. This is a link that I can share wherever I want. And what's really cool about this program is that you can make money even if the person doesn't actually buy the specific product that you go to. Typically, they're supposed to buy something in the same category. So if you link a printer and they buy a different printer, you can still make money on that. Something I found interesting is that I have never intentionally linked anything in this grocery and gourmet food category, but this year I've made money on 44 items from this category. And I don't even think I've linked anything at all in this category. And I've still made money on it. So you can make money on things that people are buying on Amazon, even if the thing that they're buying, like I have never linked light Caesar dressing in my life, I've still made some money from that. One other option once you start making money is if you go into your reports and products, you'll see all of the top products that you've been linking, and you can sort them by different things, and you can grab the links for these products right here. So certain things that I've sold a lot of, I can grab the product links really easily. And then if you do have an influencer account, you probably have a storefront that looks like this, and these little groups of products are called idea lists. They're really easy to add to. You actually just go to any product that you want, and when you click add to list, you'll see all your private lists up here, and then your idea lists down under add to your idea list, and you'll see different things like calligraphy supplies, envelope ideas, etc. And I'll be able to click on that and it will add this product to that list. If you go into the storefront section, you can also manage your content on your storefront, and you'll be able to edit your idea list, move things around, add things to these lists, etc. So if I go into edit this idea list, then I can change the title or description, and then I can add products here. Another great reason I love connecting my actual account is when you go to add products, you can click your orders, and then you'll be able to select all of the things that you ordered. I mean, these are things I ordered personally, not for my business, but I'll be able to scroll down until I find like this slot hole punch that I ordered for my business, and I could just click it and add as many of these things that I have ordered to my idea list, talk about what I liked about the product, and then get a link directly to this idea list. So whether you're an associate or an influencer, the easiest way to get a link through to a product is just to go to Amazon, find that product, and click Get Link. I'm also going to collect a lot of my popular products and put the links into a spreadsheet that's easily accessible for me. These are things that I am linking all the time. I'm going to just put them in a spreadsheet, and you can also create a little shortcut on your phone that's like printer link, and then you can put all of your really popular products there. So whenever someone says, what printer do you use, or you're trying to link it on your Instagram stories, you can just type in printer link. So for the next part of our Easy Amazon Affiliate Challenge, we'll go into our idea list and we'll talk about the best places to share your links to make easy money with Amazon. If you want to join our challenge so you don't miss a video, click on the link in the description and we'll send the video straight to your inbox.